Hi everyone, Jacob here at the San Diego Children's Discovery Museum up in Escondido, California. Today I'm in our Palomar Healthcare Heroes exhibit brought to you by Palomar Health. One of the things that our exhibit teaches is how you can help keep your body healthy and how healthcare heroes also help keep you healthy. Today's adventure is going to take us out into nature and we're going to learn different exercises that can help you be healthy. Hopefully you have fun on our journey. Come on. Wow, that was a lot of exercises. My body feels healthier already. Hopefully you can try to take some of these exercises and incorporate them into your daily life to help your body stay strong and healthy. If you're interested in coming to visit our exhibit here at the San Diego Children's Discovery Museum, you can find our times of operation online at sdcdm.org, or you can follow our Facebook page or any of our Instagram or TikTok. Have a great one.